Welcome. I'm going to give you a small demo of all the features which are there in latest Smart Attendance Premium Teacher app. So, uh, as you can see, we have the modules like attendance, schedule, marks, assignment, video lectures, live class, and then online test. And at the bottom, as you can see, profile card as well. So, by clicking on that profile card, you will go to your profile. More details of your profile, and you can edit the profile details as well. Okay, let me go through each features one by one. So let's start with attendance. So you have to click on the attendance to go to that attendance page, and here you can see all the subjects assigned to a teacher. By clicking on that right button, you will go to a take attendance page where you will see all the students assigned to that subject. By clicking on that, you will just toggle that it's presence and absence. Red is absent and green is present. And at the top there is a button which will show you option of all present and all absent. By clicking on that, you will change the status of all the students to present, or either present or absent, and you can change the date of attendance as well. By clicking on the bottom right button, you will go to that attendance summary page, and here you can see all the details of the attendance like date, day, present count, absent count, and you can notify the parents as well. The students status in the class, and there is a note optional note button as well, where you can give the note as like what you taught today. Taught geometry. Okay, attendance saved successfully, and now you can see the attendance as well by clicking on that stats icon. So here you can see you just now took this attendance. So taught geometry, it's written here, and this is the filter. You can I'll just check today's filters, and here you can see all the attendance I have taken, as well as its present count, absent count, and the percentage. You can edit the attendance as well by selecting this, and delete the attendance as well. You can refresh the attendance to get the latest attendance report. And there is a download icon as well. By clicking on the open, you will see that attendance report in Excel format, which is downloaded to the which is inside the smart attendance folder of your file explorer. Here will see everything about the student details, present count, absent count, and the percentage. Okay, so, and there's one more thing you can check on this subject page, which is the schedules. You can check, you can see today's schedules and tomorrow's schedules, and like this. Okay, so this is regarding attendance module, and let's go to schedule. So schedule is nothing but all the schedules you have for a specific subject or practical or anything, which could be, it could be anything. So here you will see all the schedules related to the subject. So we have a lecture on Tuesday. We have a lecture of biology from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and as well as chemistry 11 to 12 p.m. So this is associated to a specific teacher. So this is the schedule of that specific teacher. You can change the date as well to check the future schedules or past schedules. Okay, so this is regarding schedule module. Okay, let me go to marks module now. So here we'll see all the exams created by the teacher. So let me create one more. So here you have to select the class and then students. Let me give it a title is unit test 2. You have to give a small description about that. unit test on maths. Then the classroom, duration of exam, and the completion date, where when you want to schedule your exam and at what time. So new exam has been created. As you can see, the unit test 2. And there is a 3-dot button associated with every card. If you click on it, you will see view, edit and delete. You can edit the exam or you can delete the exam. And but view is by clicking on view, you will see the status of all the students, exam status of all the students. So at the top you will see the details of the unit test, completion date, department and description. And at the bottom you will see the status of all the students related to that exam. So after now you can click on this student, and then it will open a pop-up where it will show you the roll number of the student and the name of the student, and the teacher has to mark the status of the student. So I'll update the status of this John Doe, which is having roll number 1. So he attended the exam. So his marks, let's take it at 10, and remarks good, and I'll update it. So the status of roll number 1 is updated. Let me check it. So there is a filter button at the top which will show you completed results and pending results. So if I am selecting both, so it will show me all the status including completed and pending. So this is the list, and you can download this as well, which is in Excel format, which will show exam attended or not, marks and remarks of the specific students. So this is regarding exam module. So now assignment module. Let me create a new record. Same, you have to select a class, then students, then the title of the assignment, maths assignment. Small description and completion date, when you are going to schedule the assignment, which line of the assignment, and time as well. So this is creating an assignment, and your assignments is added successfully. So you can see the maths assignment. So here you will see same 3 options: view, edit and delete. So you can delete the assignment, you can edit the assignment, or you can view the assignment. So here you will see the assignments details, description, and all the students which are assigned to that assignment, and they have to complete this assignment, and teacher will mark it as completed or not completed. So here, after clicking on this student, you will see a pop-up again. So it will show you the roll number of the student and the name of the student, and it will show you a toggle button which will mark the status of the student as completed or not completed. So I'll mark it completed for John Doe and update it. I'll do the same for Yuriko Violet. Okay, and there's a filter button at the top which will show. So by clicking on this, it will show me both completed and pending statuses. You can download this in Excel format. Okay, so this is regarding assignment module. So let's go through live class. So teacher will create live class for specific students. Let me create new. So here you have to select a class and the set of students which will be there in the live class. Maths class, agenda, chapter 5. What is date and time of the live class? 11th July and at time 10 a.m. Duration will be 40 minutes. I'm creating this new live class. And there you can see start live class button. So after clicking on that, it will start the live class. So the live class is created and you have joined the live class, and here you can do everything like sharing the screen, sharing the videos, talking to other students, and you can check the participants as well. So after clicking on participant, you will see the participant list. As you can see, Krishna Sahu is the host and the teacher, and roll number 2 Akash Jadhav is the student. So you will see the list of students who have joined this class. So the same you can do this with as well. You can cancel the live class, you can edit and delete it. So let me cancel this live class. It will show you a pop-up and it will update it. And now you can see only one live class. If you go to past one, you will see cancelled live class. You just cancel this one, so it will show here. So this is regarding live class module. And then the online test. So this is where a teacher will create online test for the students, specific set of students. I'm selecting the students and the title of the online test, chemistry chapter 2, chemistry online test, chemistry, and this will be description of the online test, chemistry chapter 2, and to select the date of completion. Student has to complete the online test by this date and by this time. And the duration of the online test, 20 minutes. And then after clicking on this, you will see you have this page where teacher will create all the questions. So here you can add a question. What is chemistry? So you can check whether it is MCQ or subjective question. So this is a subjective question, so I'll just disable the MCQ, and it will ask you for marks, 5 marks. Hint, it's option, you can give the hint, and answer, it's option, you can provide the answer. So by clicking right, you will create a new question. You can add more question. So let me create one MCQ. States of matters. Marks will be 10. Hint, option, you have to add options of the states of matter. So gas, add liquid, and then solid, and you have to select the answer. It made one more, plasma, and then you have to select the answers. So these are the questions. You can change the position of options as well. So this has created 2. You can change the questions as well, position of questions. So this has been created. All the details of online test have been created. By clicking on right button, you will create new online test. So this is the same. You can view, edit and delete the online test, and by clicking on this, you will see small details and the assignment and the online test submitted by the students. So this is regarding the online test. There is a small hamburger menu at the top. After clicking on it, you will see a navigation drawer where you have options of school details, change institute, contact developer, change password, FAQ, about us, setting and logout. So you can change the language from here, from settings. You can change this, you can see the school details. You can contact developer, it will open your mail ID. You can change the password. You will receive an email on your registered email address. You can see the fake of the app. You can see about us of the app, who developed this app, and you can log out. At the bottom you can see the build name of the app along with the build version. So this is regarding the teacher app, Smart Attendance Teacher app.